A. This is A. A is for alligator. A is for ant. B. This is B. B is for ball. B is for bee. C. This is C. C is for cat. C is for cup. D. This is D. D is for doll. D is for donkey. E. This is E. E is for eagle. E is for eye. F. This is F. F is for fox. F is for fan. G. This is G. G is for grapes. G is for giraffe. H. This is H. H is for house. H is for horse. I. This is I. I is for ink. I is for insect. J. This is J. J is for juice. J is for jackal. K. This is K. K is for kite. K is for kitten. L. This is L. L is for lion. L is for lollipop. M. This is M. M is for monkey. M is for mango. N. This is N. N is for nest. N is for nuts. O. This is O. O is for ox. O is for orange. P. This is P. P is for penguin. P is for pig. Q. This is Q. Q is for Queen. Q is for Quail. R. This is R. R is for Rat. R is for Rabbit. S. This is S. S is for Star. S is for Sun. T. This is T. T is for Teddy. T is for Tiger. U. This is U. U is for Umbrella. U is for Unicorn. V. This is V. V is for Vase. V is for Vegetable. W. This is W. W is for Water. W is for Well. X. This is X. X is for Xylophone. X is for Xmas tree. Y. This is Y. Y is for Yak. Y is for Yellow. Z. This is Z. Z is for Zoo. Z is for Zebra.
Hi friends! I hope you like the video. Subscribe our channel for more new videos.